Polo Club no logonde beach kumareyo gi team mar Lagos Polo CLU tuke mag abasidi mitugo gi Faras motese ne Lagos in coming tour tuke mano bagi alap Nairobi Polo Club. Goch ne team mar Nairobi no mayo Kenya thuolo mar loyo kombe no nyadiriyo maluore okombe mane giloyo dwe mar ariyo igani kama en duoko mopogore tok Nairobi Polo loyo jotugo go mawuok e piny mar Nigeria gonde abich kuom ang'wen tuke mokalo mag Chairman's Polo Cup mano bagi e boma ma Abuja. Tuke gi bende gin achiel kuom tuke ma ibago higa ka higa ma dhalo jatugo ma thiring'inyi mano tugo ne Kenya higni mokalo Simon Kuseyo.
No, it doesn't quite make it and goes off to the right-hand side. So, good attack there by Nairobi. Kamoy is looking for another tap and then he wants it under the net.
Early in the year, Nairobi won the tournament in Lagos, but unfortunately today we've lost the match to the Lagos team. They played really well, and of course we knew they were a very worthy competitor based on the players that traveled to play with us here. So I think it was well worth it. In as much as we've lost, there are a lot of learnings on the Nairobi side, and also just to keep that fire burning, because I mean you cannot win all the time. We need to also accept that the other person will be better than you. So that's the trajectory of what has happened today, and congratulations to the Lagos.